Okay, go ahead. Cast it out there. Nice job, buddy. Did you catch a fish, Carter?
Yeah.
You did?
Yep.
A big one?
Yeah.
How big? Giant?
Reel it in. Let's see how big it is.
Use it. But you.
You want me to reel it in?
No, as big as you.
As big as me?
Yeah.
No way, Jose.
Yeah. I caught fish.
You
Two
caught a fish?
Oh, that's nothing on there, silly.
Feel like you have one?
Yep.
Don't let go of your fishing pole.
Then we go in water.
Yeah, if there's a fish on the other end, he might pull it right in the water. Are you reeling it in the right way?
Yeah. See? Take a nice shot.
You reeling it in?
Yep.
Did you catch anything?
I hope. Oh, we got a duck on the seaweed.
It's stuck on the seaweed again?
Yep.
See if you can get it in.
Really duck.
Oh, okay, I'll help you.
Ah,
Two squirrels.
Come back. What?
Okay, hang on. I have to make a right turn up here. And turn around this corner right here, so hang on. Whoa. Now we're going this way.
Fish.
Holy cow, what's in the way? What's in the path? Oh, it's just a leaf. Birdie. Hey, birdie. You can scream it.
Say it, Brady. Really loud.
Good job, Papa. Papa.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Too loud.
Too loud?